What if I told you people are building YouTube channels faster than ever, without showing their face, editing for hours, or being experts? It sounds wild, but it's happening. There's a quiet revolution on YouTube, powered by AI. Faceless creators are using smart tools to leapfrog the old rules, and anyone can join in. Most creators are still grinding the old way, missing out on shortcuts that are changing the game. Today, I'll show you how to win YouTube with AI in 2026, even if you're starting from zero. Stick around, because strategy number 5 is the game changer most people ignore. Every channel starts with ideas, scribbled in notebooks, typed into phones, or jotted down on sticky notes. But not every idea is destined for greatness. Viral ideas are what set you apart from the crowd. They're the difference between a video that fizzles out and one that explodes across the internet, racking up shares and comments. Now imagine an AI that scans millions of videos every day, analyzing what's trending, what's fading, and what's about to take off. In just minutes, it delivers a curated list of potential hits tailored to your channel. No more guessing games or endless hours spent researching. AI taps into real-time analytics, predicting what your audience is craving before they even know it themselves. Just plug in your niche or favorite topics, and let AI show you what's rising fast, what's already saturated, and where there's a golden opportunity for you to dominate. The difference between 100 views and 100,000? It almost always starts with picking the right topic at the right time. That's the power of data-driven creativity. Use AI tools that scrape YouTube, Reddit, and Google Trends all at once, gathering inspiration from every corner of the internet. You'll spot trends before they go mainstream. Refine your list, add your unique spin, and suddenly you've got a batch of viral-ready ideas, each one tailored to your style and audience. No more creative droughts, wasted uploads, or staring at a blank screen. With AI, you'll always have a fresh list of ideas ready to go. This is how top channels post every single week, and why every video they release feels like it could be the next big thing. The secret. They're not just guessing or hoping for luck. They're using AI to find exactly what people want to watch, giving their channel the best shot at going viral, video after video. The best ideas need scripts that keep viewers hooked. No matter how creative your concept is, if your script doesn't grab attention and hold it, people will click away. That's why crafting a high-retention script is so important for YouTube success. AI can analyze top-performing videos in your niche and reverse engineer their structure, identifying exactly what keeps people watching, where viewers drop off, and which moments spark the most engagement. It breaks down pacing, storytelling techniques, and even the use of visuals. Just feed your topic or idea into an AI script generator, and you'll get a draft that's already optimized for maximum watch time. The AI adds curiosity hooks, emotional beats, and cliffhangers at just the right moments to keep your audience glued to the screen. AI suggests powerful hooks, dramatic pauses, and punchy endings, even if you're not a natural storyteller. It can recommend where to build suspense, when to reveal key information, and how to end with a memorable call to action. You can even match your script's tone, whether you want it energetic, suspenseful, or fun. The AI will suggest where to add B-roll, graphics, or sound effects to boost engagement and make your video more dynamic. The result? A script that feels polished and professional, even if you're brand new to YouTube. You'll spend less time stressing over structure and more time focusing on your message. With AI handling the technical side, you're free to focus on your creative vision, brainstorming ideas, refining your story, and connecting with your audience. Let the tech do the heavy lifting so you can do what you love. That's how you keep people watching, liking, and subscribing, by combining your creativity with the power of AI-driven scripting. Recording voiceovers can slow you down, but AI voices change the game. Today's AI voices are realistic, customizable, and fast. Paste your script, pick your style, and you're done. Want a friendly narrator or a serious documentary tone? Easy. Consistent, professional voiceovers boost your brand, even if it's just you behind the scenes. Some tools even let you clone your own voice, so you can scale without ever stepping in front of a mic. Batch record, make quick edits, and never worry about sore throats. With AI voices, you can scale fast and keep your audience engaged. Thumbnails are the gas pedal for your channel. AI can analyze thousands of top thumbnails, breaking down what makes them irresistible. Feed your topic into an AI thumbnail generator for dozens of concepts designed to spark curiosity. AI predicts which thumbnails will get the highest click-through rates by simulating viewer reactions. Experiment with faces, bold text, or minimalist styles. Let AI suggest tweaks. A/B test your top picks and let the data decide. In 2026, creators who win use AI to make thumbnails as strategic as their videos. Most people guess what works. Winners study the best. AI can analyze thousands of channels in your niche, revealing the secrets behind their success. It breaks down which titles, emotions, and topics top channels use again and again. You're not copying, you're modeling success and adapting proven frameworks. Imagine knowing which topics are about to trend and which titles convert best. Build your own blueprint, backed by data, not just gut feelings. The best channels model, adapt, and improve. Let AI show you the way, and put your unique spin on top. Editing is usually the slowest part of making videos, but AI can cut your time in half. AI tools automate captions, remove silences, suggest music, and clean up audio instantly. Upload your footage, and AI suggests cuts, transitions, and highlight reels. You make the creative calls. AI handles the boring stuff. Batch film, batch edit, and upload more content in less time. Editing is now a superpower, if you know which AI tools to use. Great videos need to get found. AI gives you the edge. Smart SEO tools optimize your titles, descriptions, tags, and chapters for maximum discovery. AI suggests viral titles, analyzes competitor keywords, and crafts descriptions that boost watch time. Some tools recommend hashtags and upload times for maximum reach. Winners use AI to test and tweak every upload for algorithm success. Dominate SEO, and you'll be found by viewers hungry for your content. Multiply your reach without multiplying your workload. Repurpose with AI. AI can turn one video into a dozen pieces of content for every platform. Upload a video, and AI cuts shorts, transcribes highlights, and creates quote graphics or snippets for newsletters. You're everywhere. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, without hours of extra work. AI keeps it organized and can automate posting schedules. Consistency and reach on autopilot. The biggest channels in 2026 are everywhere, thanks to AI-powered repurposing. Consistency is the hardest part of YouTube, but AI keeps you on track. Use AI to build a content calendar, predict trends, and remind you of deadlines. Let it automate repetitive tasks like metadata or uploads, so you focus on the big picture. Batch record, AI creates scripts and outlines for multiple videos at once. Need to edit a backlog? AI processes them in bulk. By automating the boring stuff, you save energy for creativity and strategy. With AI, consistency is possible, even for solo creators. Let's get real for a moment. AI is incredibly powerful, and it's changing the way we create. But here's the truth nobody really talks about. It's not some kind of magic wand that instantly transforms your life or your channel overnight. If you're hoping AI will save you from putting in the effort, or fix years of bad habits and poor discipline, you're in for a rude awakening. AI can't do the work for you if you're not willing to show up and actually use it. Picture this: two creators, both with access to the exact same AI tools. One of them uses those tools to brainstorm, create, and improve every single day, while the other just waits for inspiration to strike. The result? One moves forward, the other stays stuck in the same place. What separates them isn't just the technology, it's their execution, their consistency, and their willingness to keep learning and adapting, even when things get tough or results are slow. You could have the most advanced AI script, the sharpest thumbnails, and the best editing software, but if you don't show up, put in the hours, and keep iterating on your content, you'll eventually hit a plateau and stop growing. Remember, every single top creator you admire started with 0 subscribers, 0 views, and probably a lot of doubts. The real difference between those who make it and those who don't, it's not just talent or luck, it's mindset, relentless work ethic, and the willingness to keep pushing forward, even when it feels like nobody's watching. AI gives you incredible leverage and can help you work smarter, but it's not a shortcut to instant fame or success. It's a tool, not a replacement for hard work. The future will belong to creators who not only embrace these new tools, but also put in the consistent effort, learn from their mistakes, and keep showing up day after day. So, the real question is, are you ready to step up, put in the work, and become one of those creators who truly stands out? If you enjoyed this, subscribe now for more ways to build income streams and dominate YouTube with AI. This is just the beginning. There's a world of AI-powered strategies waiting for you. Comment below, would you start a YouTube channel with AI? I want to hear your thoughts and questions. The future belongs to creators who move early. Start now, and let AI put rocket fuel under your dreams.